Hello everyone and welcome back to my vlog. Yes, it's been a week or 2 weeks since I've been gone, but we're back at it again today, and in today's vlog we will be removing the front and the rear windshield. Hopefully I'm saying that right, because the front is a windshield, the rear, I don't know, is it a windshield? Question mark? Let's get into this vlog. I've never removed this kind of windshield before because obviously you can see that there's a windshield rubber to seal, and then you have the metal part right here which should come out. I think if you take this out. So I have never experienced it. This is gonna be my first time removing this type of a windshield. And in the rear I see you have to remove this right here, and this also should come out. So let's see how it's gonna work. The biggest concern that I have regarding this type of project is where am I going to place the windshields or the glass after I remove them. So I got to figure that out first, because you can remove them always, it's just where to put them safely. That's the question. I mean, you can't just place them against the wall because it's 1987. They're not that's exactly cheap to buy. So let's figure that out and get that sorted out. Maybe build a rack or go buy a rack, and we'll go from there. So I decided to build my own little windshield rack. What I have here is a pallet. Got 3 2x4s, a saw, and a box of screws right over here. Let's get right into this. So I decided to go ahead and cut them in half and stand them up on the pallet. We'll see how it works out. Okay guys, this is what I created here. Look at this finished product here. What I did here, I secured this part right here. That way I'll be able to slide the windshield from the top. I'm gonna slide it in from the top over here into that section, and once the windshields are in place, I'm gonna lock it in with this right here and screw it in. That way they'll be secured in here nicely. So let's see how it's gonna work. I think they'll work for now. I know I'm not a master carpenter or anything, but this is my little windshield rack kind of deal that I built for $11 instead of $108. I seen one at Northern Tools. So let's give this thing a shot. We're finally at the stage that we've all been waiting for. Let's remove the windshield and see how easy it is or how difficult it is. What I'm gonna start out with is I got a flat head here, and I'm gonna try to remove this right here and see what's gonna happen. See, not very, that's easy. Look, it bends though. Look at this. More than likely I'm gonna have to buy the new rubber piece and the new kit for the windshield. Alright, let's see how this comes off. Okay, you guys ready? Yeah, that's pretty easy. Look at this. So it's not that easy to get it out. It's very firm and secured in there. Obviously I'm gonna kind of work it around, you know, one step at a time, to push it out from the inside, and I'm gonna get someone to help me with this. It's really secured in there, which is nice, you know, there's no leaks or anything else, so it's a nice fit. Let's go ahead and get someone to help me and try to push this windshield out, okay? do you guys think? Legit?
Yes.
So basically this part is secured right here, and then when I put the second one in, I want to secure this part and then put some kind of cushions or towels to hold it secured. So this is the front right here. Look at this. So the rubber ended up staying. I got to remove this real quick. Oh wow, look at this. This is in there, you know? It really is in there.
Ну, то воно витягується, витягувати.
Yeah, go ahead and get it out. Just comes out right there?
Yep.
Let me feel it also. Okay, so it goes on this groove right here. Okay, let's go ahead, go all the way. Nice. Oh wow, so it goes underneath the dash.
Yes.
Well, the dashboard's going to be out anyway.
You're gonna take that out too?
Yeah, I'm going to take it out because look, it's cracked. I have to take it out to get it repaired. So before I put the dash in, I'll make sure this is out. So I was going to make sure that I got everything documented to understand what's going on.
This, even if it's with the dash, you can put back in. It's
Yeah, but I still have to remove the dash anyway. So let's go ahead and get it out. Wow, this is awesome. Ooh. Excellent. This is interesting. Look at this. All right, let's do the rear. So I have the screwdriver here. I'm gonna remove this piece. This piece right here, it's like they break easily, so I gotta get a new ones anyway. Look at this. Just breaks. So tore up. Okay. Vasily, get the other side. It's okay to break it. Just we're gonna have to get new ones anyway. There's no way you can take it out without breaking it. Remember, this car is 31 years old. 31. Excellent. All right, just pull the thing out. So, there you go. That's broken. There you go. Keep going.
gonna get a new one.
Yeah, I'll have to, because these are like,
yeah.
they have them like brand new. They look really nice. And this old one, I don't want to put the old one in anyway. The seal, the windshield seal, it looks good. I'll probably reuse it, but not this. Definitely not this. Boom. From one end, do you think? You're right. This one's one in. Подожди.
Idea, Mike може залізти середин, try to push it like, help push it like right here and there. Далі трохи, далі. Oh, okay, because I don't
Got
want,
it?
yeah, I don't want that thing break down. But давай пхай її туди. No, right here. Не лопну. Стій там проводку.
I can't get it out. Попробуй не поднять. Ready? Поднимается тебя? Думаю, можно вытянуть сначала, потом. Careful.
Такой, Майк, може. Не витягується воно? От летіло.
Летело?
Запаяє. Вилізло так? Знімеш, запаяєш його.
Приклеивается. Okay, here's the rear. It is out. This rack seems to be working. Look at this. Now I just gotta put it in a safe location, and that's it. Let's see if we can get this out. Bye-bye. Here we go. Same thing. Very easy. Hector Martinez is about to come. Over here. Yeah, he's coming in right now. Coming to Altec. Have to go to Elaine's or something. Look at this. Look, if I have to remove this, like the top, look at this, I have to take this off. Look at this. I don't know how I'm gonna remove all the sunroof and stuff. It's ridiculous, dude. Oh, that's coming out right here too much. Boom. Boom. Boom! Horse is here. Nice. Nicely secured. Excellent. Excellent. I'm gonna find a safe place to store my windshields at and start working on the interior side. Trying to remove the liner, roof liner. Probably remove the back seats because I don't think they really need to be in here. Because they're cracked anyway. So we'll start taking this thing apart. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna continue to work on this car for the next couple of days, so I'll be releasing vlogs one after another. So if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to my channel for more content. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.